Hello and welcome to the tutorial on subtraction. In this tutorial we will learn how to subtract a 6-digit number and a 4-digit number, and we're going to do this using the vertical format. So let's begin with our first example. What is 748,438 minus 5,864? Now, because we're going to do this in the vertical format, the first step is to rewrite the question in nice, neat columns. So let's do that over here. 748,438 minus 5,864. And as we've said before, the critical thing is to make sure that you get these in nice, neat columns. Okay, let's label the columns as well. You don't have to, but it's good practice. We've got units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and we've got HTH, hundred thousands. Okay, we are ready to go ahead and do the subtraction. As always, we start on the right hand side first. So we've got the first one we have is the units column on the right hand side. We've got 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So nice easy one. And now we've got the tens. We've got 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6. Now, because 3 is smaller than 6, we cannot do this. What we're going to do is we're going to take 1 from the digit on the left. In this case, it's the hundreds. So let's cross out 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. And the 1 we have taken, we're going to move it to the tens column. So the tens is now 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6. The answer is 7. Okay, we're now on to the hundreds column. We've got 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8. Now again, 3 is smaller than 8, so we cannot do this. We're going to take 1 from the digit to the left. So let's cross out 8. That's thousands. 8 minus 1 is 7, and the 1 we have taken from here, we're going to move to the hundreds column. So the hundreds column is now 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8. The answer is 5. We're now on to the thousands column, where we have 7 minus 5. Now 7 minus 5 is 2. It's a nice easy one. And the last two digits, we've got 4 and 7. Now because they are subtracting 0, they do not change. Okay, we can even put a comma here. So the answer to our question is 742,574. Okay, the same principles apply each time we do this. So once you understand those, no matter how large the numbers are, you can work through this. Okay, let's have a look at our second example. This time we have 527,361 minus 8,045. Okay, the first step is to rewrite this question in nice, neat columns. So let's do that over here. 527,361 minus 8,045. Okay, we're not going to label the columns this time. Let's just go ahead and do the subtraction. Okay, so we're starting on the right hand side. We've got 1 minus 5. Now because 1 is smaller than 5, well, I think you know what we're going to do. We're going to take 1 from the digit on the left. So let's cross out the 6. 6 minus 1 is 5, and the 1 we have taken from here, we're going to add it to the 1. to the units. So now the units column reads 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is, well, it's 6. Okay, now on to the tens. We have 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Moving to the hundreds, we've got 3 minus 0. Well, that's a nice easy one. That remains 3. Now how about the thousands? We've got 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8. Now because 7 is smaller than 8, we cannot do this, and we're going to take 1 from the digit on the left. In this case, it's a 2. So let's cross out 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, and the 1 we have taken from here, let's move it across. So the thousands column now reads 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8. The answer is 9. And now we've got just the 1 and the 5. Now both of these are subtracting zeros, so they do not change. We can write down 1 and 5. We can even put a comma here. So we have arrived at our answer. It is 519,316. And for that we get a nice big tick. So that is how we do subtraction of a 6-digit number and a 4-digit number using the vertical format.